Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw an image in your notes on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should choose from your notes here, the ones that you have already created, or if you feel like to do so, you can also create a new document by clicking on the plus icon down below in the right corner. So if you want to add a drawing, then you should tap on this plus icon down below and then press the button drawing. As you can see at the bottom of the page, you have three tools that you can draw with: a pencil, a marker, and a highlighter. So tap on the one that you would like to use, and then you can start drawing. If you tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you can delete the image, and start it over if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.